Now let's talk about how to use bullet points effectively. In this part of the tutorial, we're going to talk about how to keep bullet points short, using them as using periods, avoid using black dots, use animated bullet points, and do not use them on every slide. How many lines of bullet points should I use? Also, how many words per line? The general rule is 6 by 6. 6 words or less per line, and no more than 6 lines. The objective is to have your audience listen to your presentation, with the bullet points acting as guides to the main points. Can you use bullet points ending with a period? Use a period after every bullet point that is a sentence. Use no punctuation after bullet points that are not a sentence. Do not use periods on the same bullet points and no periods on other bullet points on the same slide. If you start using periods, then use them on all bullet points on the slide. Avoid using black dots. Black dots before a line can be a boring design. Try to color your dot using icons such as wingdings, arrows, and logos. Use animated bullets. Use animation to fade in and fade out of your bullet points. What animation you use is based on your presentation and how you want to move and control the attention of the audience. This is where animation and timing work together. Don't go overboard with extreme animations like twisting text. Animation, when not used properly, becomes very boring very fast. Do not use them on every slide. Remember the term death by bullet points. Audiences hate bullet points. The fastest way to lose your audience is to use too many bullet points. Keep in mind, there are other alternatives to using bullet points, such as smart art. Each slide should only have one purpose or objective.